Good morning, students. In this video we will discuss and understand the basic concept of domain and range of a relation. In the previous videos we have seen the definition of a relation and we also saw the basic example of a relation. So इस वीडियो में हम देखते हैं कि कंसेप्ट ऑफ समझते हैं कंसेप्ट ऑफ डोमेन और रेंज of a relation. So to make it more convenient and easier, it will clear you. I am writing something here. So here I will write R is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is defined. Relation is defined because relation is nothing but subsets of the Cartesian product. So here we have Cartesian product, we have ordered pairs. So relation in ordered pairs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these are all ordered pairs. So relation is R is equal to 1, 2. Now see, here 1, 3 and 5 are the initials, or you can say are the first elements of the ordered pairs. 1, 3 and 5 are the first or the initials, they are first value of ordered pairs, and 2, 4 and 6 are the next, that is second values, or you can say second elements of the ordered pair. So first we will write here the domain. So domain is nothing but it is a, I will write here the set of all the first you can say values or elements in the ordered pair of a relation. I repeat, the set of all the first elements in the ordered pair of a relation. First elements, here the ordered pairs are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, and the elements of first elements are 1, 3 and 5. So because you know that 1 is related to 2, 3 is related to 4 and 5 is related to 6. The first elements are 1, 3 and 5. So domain is equal to, you can write it, domain is, because you have to write in the curly braces. Why? Because they set of all the first elements. So 1, 3, 5, this is the domain of the relation. So here first 3 and 5 are the first elements or first values of the ordered pairs of a relation. So for next we have range. So range, I will write here the set of all the second elements or values in the ordered pair of a relation. So that is, range is nothing but the second ones. First ones are domain and the second ones 2, 4, 6, that is 2, 4 and 6. This is the range. So R is equal to set should be in the curly braces and separated by, the elements should be separated by the commas. So these are called the range. So this is the range and this is the domain. A very simple example of the, this is the concept. You understand the concept of domain and range of a relation. That means domain is nothing but the first, all the set of all the first elements or values in the ordered pair of a relation, and range is nothing but the second, all the set of all the second elements or values in the ordered pair of a relation. In the next video we'll see some more.